Hi, this Ward. I'm going to show you how you connect a camera to the TV and use it to capture pictures or record a video. And I'm going to use HDMI cable. One end is going to go to the back of the TV, the other end is going to go to the back of the camera. As you can see right here, one side of the cable is small, the other one is regular. The cable to the TV and then the other end is going to go to the camera. So you should have a remote for camera. If you don't, you can just use a regular, and I'm going to show you how you're going to use as you use it at the regular one. So we're going to turn on the TV, and we're going to find, as you can see right here, it looks like I have 4 ports on the back of the TV. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to use a remote to find which one. As you can see right here, it looks like the one. Yes, it's already have, but you may have a different port, so you find out using your. So now we are connected to the TV, and it began recording. I can stop and then begin recording the regular one. Here on the remote, you should see where it's showing like it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to hit record on the back of the camera. As you can see, it's recording. So right here, this is how you use a camera to record a video. The room is too small, but this is how you can use a TV to record a video. Right now it's recording, and this is how you connect. Thank you. If you have questions, let me know.